Hey guys, so today we're looking at mid-segments. So here we have a mid-segment CD. Now if you recall, a mid-segment is what connects one midpoint to another midpoint on a triangle. So C is the midpoint of XJ and D is the midpoint of XY and ZY. And when you connect two midpoints, you create a mid-segment. Now what is the property of a mid-segment? A mid-segment is half of the length of the side it is parallel to. So in this case, CD is half of XZ. Another way to write that would be that if I were to take CD and double it, multiply it by 2, it should equal the same length as XZ. If I were to double the mid-segment, it should be the same length as the side that it is parallel to, in this case, side XZ. So in this problem, it says that CD is 12 and ZX is 3x minus 9. So if I were to double CD, which is 12, it should equal the length of XZ, which is 3x minus 9. All I was doing was plugging the two things that I know into that kind of formula that I created. 2 times CD equals XZ. And from here I solve. 2 times 12 is 24. To get x alone, we have to get rid of the minus 9 by adding 9 to both sides. So we end up with 3x equals 24 plus 9, which is 33. And then the last step we need to do is to divide by 3. X is 11. Now we have found x, but that is not what it asked for in this problem. It said, what is the length of ZX? So ZX is over here, 3x minus 9. And so all I have to do is replace x with 11 because we found out that x is 11. So 3 times 11 is 33. Minus 9 is 24. So the length of ZX is 24. That is our final answer. Now, could I have gotten that from the beginning? Yes. If I knew this was 12, all I had to do was double it to get 24. Remember, the mid-segment is half the length of the side it is parallel to.